Hey guys, it's Rickster here. So it is currently thunderstorming at my house right now, and it's just a great big lightning storm. I'm gonna send some of this footage over to the Galaxy Gamer. He was trying to get some lightning footage. But Nick, I hope this helps you. I'm also gonna post this on my channel. I'm currently filming on my brand new phone. I have an iPhone 6s Plus. I'm very glad to have it now. Hopefully it's some good camera quality. But I'm hoping to put some videos up more now that I'm in the clear of all my stuff. I'm doing a lot better than I was now. But I know I don't have a lot of subscribers or a lot of views, but just hope you guys can give me some support who do watch my videos. I'm sorry for like the long lightning storm clip in the beginning, but I'm hoping really hoping that I can get some videos up now that I got my new phone, and then I can record stuff. My god, it's just a pretty big lightning storm. Can't really see it. It's all moving away from us now. It's up towards my other friend's house now. No, for a little bit there it was just absolutely downpouring here, and yeah. So, and I was on the phone. I had my fan. Oh, I just saw a great big lightning streak coming out of the sky over there. It's all over there now, guys. Can't really see it because of my porch, but currently standing in my kitchen. There you can kind of see it. Well, oh my god, it's so cool. Actually, our severe thunderstorm warning ended 13 minutes ago, and we are in a severe thunderstorm watch until 1 a.m. But I'm gonna tough it out, even though I hate thunderstorms. But yeah, so I know it's just nothing but lightning here right now. So yeah, I'm hoping to get some more videos up. Like I said, I just got done finished eating my dinner, so I mean, this is kind of like a vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna send this the good lightning footage over to the Galaxy Gamer. Maybe he can use it. I don't know if he got any good stuff or not. But it's been like this all day. It would just like downpour for like 10 minutes. You'd hear a rumble of thunder, then like 20 minutes later you'd hear another rumble of thunder. And then it just keep happening throughout the day. And now we're actually getting a good storm. Maybe it'll cool it off a little bit. It's been very humid here. Yeah, this is all up by my friend's house now. Can't really see it. But yeah, it's just lighting up the sky. It looks so cool. I mean, the only times I really don't like thunderstorms at night, if it's like very late at night and I'm sleeping and I get woken up by it, it just scares me. It's scared me ever since I was a little kid. So yeah, it's just kind of like a vlog, but I hope just hope I get some more subscribers soon and some more views. But Thank you all guys who do watch my videos and who are subscribed to me. Oh my god. This is really, it's so cool. I'm just hoping I don't lose power. But, thank you very much guys. I will talk to you guys later.